Hey guys, I'm Gina with Positive Goods, and I just wanted to jump on real quick to kind of show you guys what we got going on here. We've been doing a lot of stuff, a lot of creating, a lot of focusing and redirecting, and really making it about kindness, positivity to both people and your fur babies, all animals alike. We love them, and we love you too. So we thought of a really nice, it's called Fidget with Class, a spin of calm and kindness. So it's this beautiful, cute little bag that you will get. All right. And then you will open it up, and there will be so many treasures inside of it to reduce stress, anxiety, worry, doubt. I think everything that we kind of suffer from a lot these days. You do get a little jewelry card as well. You do get it all nicely packed in this little package with your stone right there, and your stickers come in this little pack. So they are colorable stickers. They are animal based, so they're like cute little bunnies, little dogs, zebras, basically all animals, llamas, sloths, everything. They're randomly picked for your enjoyment. So you get 3 stickers. You do get a little amethyst stone. And it's a little stone, it's a little amethyst stone, so that you can keep it in your pocket, keep it with you. This is all stuff that you want to bring with you to maybe a meeting, a conference, anywhere, a farmer's market, anywhere where you might feel anxious or worrisome. So this is to relieve that. And then the main thing about our bag, we keep going, guys, is our spinner ring. It's an 18 karat adjustable gold spinner ring, and we do have it locked in tight with a little heart. Okay, so this is your little spinner ring, and it is so easy to spin. Okay, and it comes with this cute little box, and you can adjust it to your finger size. So basically, whatever you need or whatever you want, you can adjust it accordingly. So it's a little spinner ring, and you can just spin, spin, spin all day long in your meeting. Nobody's really going to even know. So you just spin, maybe have your little rock with you. When you go back to your desk or anything like that, you can go ahead and color your stickers. It's just a fun way to get some anxiety off of you and just get it ridden. So yes, it's our new A Spin of Calm and Kindness Fidget with Class bags. So check them out on our website. We have them dropping. Actually, last night I was up and I was putting it all on the website for you. So go ahead and check them out. They are theirs for you to grab. Have a great day and stay positive, guys. Bye.